Alright, just want to spend a bit of time adding up decimals. I'm going to add up decimals and subtract decimals the same way as we do whole numbers. We just want to make sure that the decimal places line up in our answers. I suggest you do these on some paper and pen or in your books, so you can practice doing the lining up. So this first one, we've got 8.31 and we're going to add to it 5.93. Notice I've got the decimal points underneath each other. I'm going to put a decimal point here directly underneath where the decimal points are. So now I have to do a very simple addition. 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 9 is 12, so we put the 2 here, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 13, plus 1 is 14. Okay, next one. It's a little bit more complicated because we have different decimal places in each of our additions. So we have a 64.8 and we have a 3.012 and we have a 5.94. Now sometimes it helps us to add zeros where we've got decimal places missing. That just means we can simply know where we're adding up in the columns. So I like to put a 0 in sometimes. You don't have to, but sometimes it helps, like that. Now remember, all the decimal points are under each other, so will the answer. So that's just 2, that's just 5, that's just 17. We carry the 1, that's 5 and 6 and 10 and 13, carry the 1, and that's 7. Again, subtraction is the same. 5.83 minus 3.12. Decimal places are in line. Here's my decimal place point in the answer. Now we're doing a subtraction. 3 take away 2. 3 take away 2 is 1, 8 take away 1 is 7, and 5 take away 3 is 2. So answer's 2.71. Now again, need to be a little bit careful when you don't have the same decimal places. 146.35 and 79.5. Again, you might like to put a 0 in. There's no problem with doing that. And with our answer, we're going to do 5 take away 0, which is 5. 3 take away 5, you can't do. So I'm going to add a 1 there to make it 13, but change that to a 5. So 13 take away 5 is 8. Decimal points line up, so that's 8. Now 5 take away 9 we can't do, so I'm going to add 1 to the 5 to make it 15, cross off the 4 and make it a 3. So 15 take away 9 is 6. 3 take away 7 we can't do. I'm going to add 1 to the 3 to make 13 and cross off the 1 there. So we've got 13 take away 7, which is 6. So 6.85. You should not have any trouble with this part of the worksheet. Okay? Good luck, guys.